What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I just want to talk to you guys about videos for your Amazon FBA listing. So I know a lot of you guys probably haven't got a video on your listing before, let alone actually know how to do it. And one of the main reasons that I want to talk about this is because this is going to be, I think, one of the #1 ways people differentiate their listing at the end of 2018 and going into 2019 and on. And the reason I say this is because everything now is pushing towards video marketing, and video marketing it's killing it right now, especially because just think about it, like would you rather read a whole page about the product, or would you rather watch a video about the product and the video is only 1 or maybe 2 minutes long explaining everything that you need to know about it and it looks professional, as opposed to reading a giant article, all these bullet points and stuff, which of course, you know, Amazon already has when it comes to creating your listing and stuff, you know, creating the bullet points, the description. People are still going to read some of that, but having a video on it is going to, like, a lot of people have a short attention span. So when they go on your listing, they're not going to completely just read everything on there, you know, line by line. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people used to do that before, but now people, when they listen to these videos and watch these videos, it's going to be short and straight to the point, so they know exactly what they're getting, as compared to other products that might not have a video, or, you know, don't have that video in there, so it doesn't look that professional. So that's another thing too, is professionalism for your brand on Amazon, which is going to be, you know, I feel like a really big thing when it comes to you know, 2019 and on. So if you guys don't know, you can actually get a video on your listing even if you aren't branded. So the way you do this, you can't do it yourself. You literally have to have a trademark or brand. So what I did, you go on Fiverr. It's very simple to do. You contact people on there that'll upload a video for you on your listing, and make sure it's the video that's under your pictures, the exact one I'm talking about. I created a previous video on this, but it's a video, you know, you have all your pictures on the left side of your listing, and then you have the video at the very bottom. So that's the service that you want, not the actual related videos or related video shorts or something that's like all the way at the bottom near the description. You don't want that. You just want the regular one that's under your pictures. And once you contact the person, it's really simple. They're only going to charge you like $75 to maybe $100. But this is going to save you a lot. I feel like it's going to help you differentiate a lot, especially when you do your giveaways and you get on the first page and then you start ranking. And even if you rank, you know, maybe number 5 or so, or even a little bit below that, people are going to catch on to your listing and see, okay, all these other listings on here don't have a video, but this guy does, and it's going to make my life easier just to listen to this video as opposed to just read everything line by line. And on top of that, it looks more professional, looks more like a professional brand, so that it'll stick in their brain. So it's very similar to like the Amazon's Choice badge. So, you know, if you have the badge on there and then maybe you have less reviews compared to everybody else, people think it's going to be official. And then you can also compare it to the Prime, Amazon Prime, you know, the little logo. Once you click on a listing, people are rather going to buy that because they think it's official, as opposed to buying a product that's, you know, merchant fulfilled, that doesn't have Amazon Prime. So all these things come into play, and you know, when towards the end of 2018 and then 2019 and on, I don't know how these reviews are going to, you know, change or stay the same. Of course, now it's much harder to get reviews than it was in the past. You know, we can't just get a whole bunch of reviews in one day. They can't be all unverified. We got to take our time with it. And then there's plenty of videos out there that'll show you exactly how to do that and all. But with all this stuff moving forward with the reviews, I think it's going to be the best thing for us in order to differentiate and compensate for that, you know, a new update or whatever. So getting a video, getting the Amazon's Choice badge, and all these other things are really going to help us out moving on. So yeah, I didn't really want to talk about too much in this video because I understand that you know, you guys probably have other stuff to do today, but I just want to come out with this video because it's very important. And getting a video on your listing doesn't take long. It can take, you know, a couple days. And honestly, I would not wait until your batch comes over from Amazon or from, you know, China or whatever supplier you're using over to Amazon, and then get the video, I highly suggest once you get you know, that first sample from your supplier, take that unit, send it over from someone from Fiverr, and have them upload it for your listing as soon as possible. Just so that, you know, it's all ready to go when you are ready to launch. Because, you know, we don't want to waste any time. You know, 2018 December is, you know, up and coming, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to start on my third product right now, so hopefully I can get my first batch in and then get another batch in before you know, Christmas rolls around. So with that being said, guys, that's all I really want to talk about in this video. Make sure you guys like down below, make sure you subscribe, and, you know, tell me what you want to see next. I have tons of templates that you guys can use in the description for your own use, for your business. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.